This is a new 2015 Lincoln Navigator. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include a turbocharger, a power sunroof, internet connectivity, electric trunk, push-button start, leather seats, heated rear seats, blind spot sensors, power folding mirrors. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, curtain head airbags, side airbags, second and third row head airbags, rain sensing wipers, independent suspension, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
McKee Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 7 Omaha Street, Rapid City, South Dakota, 57701.